We may not be able to see divinity in our family, with our brothers, sisters, parents, because of our own ego challenges that we have with each other. But nature, we have no conflict with nature because nature is silent. It doesn't argue with us. It works in sync, in harmony with the divine plan, the cosmic plan, cosmic intelligence. And when you are in nature, your soul recognizes, aligns to the cosmic plan for you automatically. And therefore, being with nature is finding one's own connect within. In fact, one's greatest guru in life is nature.